Yo, KZ Guy 2, No Nonsense Know-How. Just did some rear brakes on this 2016 BMW 428i. So let me show you how to reset the service indicator. You're gonna go in here and take your start button, push that one time, have your door closed too. This screen will pop up, and take this left button here, press and hold that. And after 5 seconds, you'll see this screen come up. So now you can scroll through and see all what this needs. We already have our oil light, brake fluid, everything's good, but we just did rear pads. So now just press and hold this button again. It says reset possible because I already put new pads on there, so I got a new sensor. It's gonna ask you reset. Press and hold again, or maybe you just press it once, I'm not sure. Reset in progress. So you're gonna hold it, and boom, 60,000 miles on the rear brakes. So all set to go. Give it a thumbs up if the video helps. Definitely appreciate that. Until next time, KZ Guy 2, No Nonsense Know-How. You enjoy yourself. I'll see ya.